Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stocks moved lower Friday, though Australia managed to rise in a session heavy in corporate earnings. Chinese markets were also lower. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index lost 0.5% and the Shanghai Composite was down 1%. Australia, however, edged higher with the ASX 200 up 0.3%. Sydney's steady gains over the week made it one of the best performers, up 1.3% since last Friday, as the market hit a fresh 5-year high. Sydney welcomed fresh signs of stabilization in China, its major trading partner. At the end of last week, Chinese growth numbers showed a pickup in the region's largest economy in the third quarter, and on Thursday, preliminary data on Chinese manufacturing reached a 7-month high. In Japan, the Nikkei remained under pressure from a yen that has firmed up in recent sessions. The Japanese currency maintained its strength last at 97.21 yens to the dollar, helping to pull the Nikkei down 1.7%. The majority of market participants agree that the US Federal Reserve will keep monetary easing measures in place at its FOMC meeting next week, making it likely that most traders are positioned the same way, short the US dollar, and that could mean the dollar will hold steady or even rebound. The lack of fresh selling to drive the greenback lower could frustrate those who are already short, and hence motivate profit taking instead at this juncture. The euro opened stronger this morning at 1.3798, and eyes turned to German business climate data for further directions into the weekend. The market is still digesting the effects of the US government shutdown. Meanwhile, today's slew of data includes the ifo Business Sentiment Index for Germany, M3 money supply for the Eurozone and UK GDP. German October ifo Business Climate, 8 GMT. The consensus forecast sees the expectations index rising slightly to 104.6 from September's 104.4, while current conditions index is seen at 111.4, unchanged from September. The real-time consensus forecast is probably slightly lower now after yesterday's disappointing purchasing manager reading from market that showed weakness on the service side, while manufacturing had held up quite well. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.